Ever wondered how US businesses find the extra hands they need during those crazy busy seasons? Or how workers from around the world land temporary jobs in American hotels, resorts, and construction sites? Let's crack open the H-2B visa process, a lifeline for many industries and a golden ticket for job seekers abroad. First up, what is the H-2B visa really? Think of it as a special pass. It lets US employers bring in foreign workers for temporary, non-agricultural jobs, when there just aren't enough US folks available. We're talking landscaping during spring booms, resorts doubling staff for busy summers, construction crews ramping up for big projects. But here's the thing, employers can't just snap their fingers and hire from overseas. They've got to prove they have a genuine temporary need, and they've already tried to hire US workers without success. So, what's the step-by-step? First, the employer requests a prevailing wage determination from the Department of Labor. This makes sure foreign workers get fair pay and that nobody's wages are undercut. Next, recruitment. Employers advertise the jobs to US workers, newspaper ads, online listings, the whole 9 yards. If nobody bites, the employer applies for a temporary labor certification. Once that's greenlit, it's time to file Form 1-129 with USCIS, the official request for H-2B status. If that's approved, the worker can apply for their H-2B visa at a US embassy or consulate back home. That means paperwork, an interview, and a bit of patience. Finally, with visa in hand, it's wheels up. The worker travels to the US and starts the job. Now don't forget, there's an annual cap. 66,000 H-2B visas per year, split in two. Sometimes Congress adds more, especially for returning workers. But demand almost always outpaces supply. The work has to be temporary, usually 10 months or less, and only nationals from specific countries are eligible, as set by Homeland Security. Worker protections are built in too. Fair pay and safe conditions are non-negotiable. So why does all this matter? For employers, it keeps businesses running smoothly when local labor pools run dry. For workers, it's a shot at new skills, new experiences, and a better paycheck. Of course, there are challenges, especially with that annual cap and shifting policy debates. But understanding how the H-2B visa works, that's power. If this helped you make sense of the process, hit like, share with your network, and subscribe for more deep dives into HR and immigration. Thanks for watching.